Everybody, welcome back to my channel. I'm so happy to have you today. Today's video is going to be a power hour. Pretty much what that is you just set your timer for 1 hour and you make a list and you work as hard as you can to get everything on your list accomplished in that 1 hour. If you are able to complete your entire list before the hour is finished, make sure that you find something else around your house and you continue to clean. You want to make the most of that hour. I don't know really what it is scientifically that makes this work, but I find that if I am being timed, I work like extra hard because I want to make sure that I get everything on my list completed. So don't make a skimpy list. Like, give yourself a challenge, and I assure you, you will get much more accomplished than you think you will. On my channel, I post content that is pertaining to motherhood, cleaning. I do a lot of cooking and decorating. I hope that you can find something here that appeals to you. If you like what you see, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel if you are new. I would love to have you here to join my YouTube family, and I would love to speak to you in the comment section down below. So again, thank you for being here, and let's go on in and get cleaning.
Or something cliche like ooh. Baby,
Alright y'all, so here's the list, and I feel like this is a pretty ambitious list, but I'm going to try my best to get it all done. So I just need to change the sheets on the master bed and on my son's bed. I need to clean our table and put everything back on it. We had some friends over and our table is in disarray at the moment. We bought some candy and a candy bowl for Halloween today, so I want to get that situated. I need to vacuum upstairs and downstairs. I want to clean the half bathroom downstairs. This is also our guest bathroom, so I like to try and keep that tidy. I want to start a load of clothes, and then I need to fold and put away the clothes that are clean. And honestly, this is about 3 to 4 loads of clothes at the moment, so I'm not sure if I'll get to this, but if I can get the first 6 done, I am going to be happy. So let's start cleaning, y'all.
They're singing their love song, and they sing it kind of beautiful, calling each other sweetheart. I promise nobody can get in their way or steal the show. They're in love now, and I wanted you to know. We run away to get us up when we're low. Just chase the waves, we'll make it up as we go. If you're heavy, I'll show you where to go. Won't you set free? Behind the town for love, we run away to get us up when we're low. Oh, even if I lose my ground, I won't let it hold me down. We will go our way until we go flatline. Don't get in our way, 'cause we won't waste more time. So you're the
Before we move on any further, I want to introduce everyone to Rebecca Eisfelder. She is my newest friend here on YouTube and over on Instagram. She posts videos very similar to mine. She has tons of mommy content, cleaning videos, cooking videos, and she has the best tips for keeping your toddler occupied. She is super sweet, and I know you guys are going to thoroughly enjoy her channel, and don't forget to check out her video on a power hour as well.
So good when you're in my head, and it's the road I figured and the curves I've been living, the flag I'm giving, a signal, pick me up again.
Right of the
that sparkle in your eyes, some kind of shimmer in your presence, unlike no other I had met. You got me spinning out of context, not really sure what I should do. This is the reason I am leaving. I can't live with or without you. Oh, won't you sing to me? There ain't no other way but to sing.
I don't really want to talk too much through this video, but I did want to show you this new blanket I picked up from Walmart. They had these last year in different colors, but I'm loving this new like tan brown color, I guess you could say. I just thought it would be really nice to replace the blue one at the bottom of our bed, just to make sure that our room does look a little bit more cozy for fall. Also, I want to tell you guys about a little trick that I like to do when I change the sheets in my son's room. It's really difficult whenever the mattress is lowered to the floor to like bend over. I mean, it is, at least for me. I'm 5'3", so I'm pretty much short everywhere, including my arms. So I like to just kind of pick up his mattress and kind of stand it on its side and then tuck the fitted sheet. I also like to use these lightweight fleece blankets. These are also from Walmart. They're like $2, but they're perfect for the size that I need in his room. So I just kind of like tuck it around the bottom of the mattress, and then when I drop the mattress, it stays in place.
Won't you sing to me? There ain't no other way but to sing to me. As simple as I say. Oh, won't you sing to me? Well, there ain't no.
I also just picked up this super cute Halloween bowl from Walmart, and I think it was only a couple bucks as well. I loved the buffalo plaid on the inside and the jack-o'-lantern on the outside. I thought was really festive. And I'm just going to open up all the candy that we're going to have for trick-or-treaters around here. And we are going to do our very best to save some for the actual trick-or-treaters.
On my own, but I'm never alone. On a road to wherever I want. And you see, I go with the wind, the places I've been, I keep them within. Holding on to a feeling
downstairs, I decided to just go ahead and run over my floors down there with the vacuum because later on I'm going to need a vacuum upstairs. You will hardly ever see my Dyson in my videos, and there are actually a few reasons why. I love the convenience of this vacuum cleaner. The fact that it's cordless and lightweight also just make life like so much easier. But one, I forget to charge it. And two, the battery power on this one that I think I have the V6, I believe. It's not very long at all. And then also, the majority of my house is carpet, and I just feel like the suction on it isn't anything in comparison to a corded vacuum. So I also have a Shark vacuum, and I normally will use that on the majority of the house. I'm not sure if you guys have seen this half bathroom on YouTube. I have posted about this one on my Instagram, but I'm just going to give this one a quick wipe down because this is the one that everyone uses.
I bet you think that I should calm down, and that I'm overthinking everything about you, and that we're good the way we are. But I don't know that much about you, what things you like and what you don't. It's not that long since I met you for the first time. You know we should work it out. You know we should work it out. Before I'm too invested, I should probably ask you all my questions, get to know you better. Like, can you be trusted? Will you take me for granted? And will you let me down? I know I'm feeling something for you, the way you look, the way.
Now I've moved upstairs, and I did go ahead and take my Dyson up there. I did this because it still had some charge on it. I wasn't quite sure how much, but for convenience sake, I was going to go with it today. You will see the pile of laundry behind me, and as much as I tried to get everything on my list done, I ran into a little bit of an issue where the clothes in my dryer that I thought were dry were not completely dry. So that really put a wrench in my little to-do list. So I was able to go ahead and continue drying those clothes, but I will end the video just folding the ones that were already clean, which there was plenty of clothes there to do, so it wasn't too bad. But I do want to also go ahead and just thank you guys for watching this video. Don't forget to check out Rebecca's channel. I cannot say enough about that lady. She is so kind, and she just has the sweetest family, and she's literally been a breath of fresh air here for me on YouTube. I hope that you guys have an awesome rest of your week and a happy Halloween if you guys celebrate that. Be safe and eat as much candy as your little heart desires. I'll see you in the next one, y'all. Bye.